Hi guys again. Here's a new scarf, and it's brown like a cat. Like a brown cat. And when you, this is this is a fashion look. If you want to be beautiful, you have to wear this kind of scarf and other things like that. Beautiful scarves. There are all kinds of scarves. There are so many scarves to choose and so many colors. Like all scarves are coming in all shapes and colors and sizes. Yeah, like this. This is my favorite color. Yellow with red. This is my really favorite color, my favorite scarf. I wish I would wear it. But it's kind of, I think it's long. Well, not really. I think it's kind of small. Yeah, well, it doesn't matter what size or what shape it comes from or what colors. Yeah, it's a very beautiful scarf. Some of you must go to the store and buy some of these scarves. They are so gorgeous and they are very beautiful. Also, they have lots of beautiful also they have lots of beautiful colors. Yeah, and they come in all shapes and sizes and colors. See, like this size, it's almost like a big square, big giant square. Yeah, a big giant square. It's almost like when you put it up, like this. See, it's like a long square. See, with yellow colors. See, there's yellow color over here, and there's red over here. See, this red and yellow is my both favorite colors, and also pink, red, and purple and yellow are also my favorite. Really favorite. I really told you that. My favorite colors. Yeah. And also this, would you take a look at this? It's so gorgeous. See, it has lots of different types of colors. See, the thing of it is about scarves, you get to wear them and you look so beautiful when you wear them. You should try these scarves. They're so gorgeous. I wish I could try them out. Oh, this one is so beautiful. Check out this one. This one almost looks like a zebra. It has stripes on it and white on it, any kind. This one is my favorite. It looks like a zebra. Zebra scarf. There are many scarves. Sometimes scarves come from shops. Yeah, sometimes they come from shops. Sometimes they don't. Sometimes they come in other shops, scarves. And also, I like this. This is my most favorite one than the other scarves. You see, there's yellow here, and purple here, and pink here too, and yellow too. And purple and pink and yellow and red are my most very favorite colors. They're so beautiful, I can't even imagine. You see, scarves are very beautiful. You must check them out. They're very gorgeous and beautiful. Even though green is beautiful. Well, not really. Well, yeah, it's really beautiful. Well, green and yellow are very good. It's very beautiful and gorgeous. You should try them. It's so beautiful and so gorgeous. And you must try the other scarves and colors. They're so beautiful you won't imagine. Just take a look in the mirror and you won't imagine, just like I will say. And this one almost looks like a art one. See, it has like some kind of flowers, stuff like that. See, flowers over here, and on this side too. There are flowers over here too. This is my favorite too. And the last scarf is this is the blue scarf. The blue one. It's very gorgeous. And it has pink and white color, and it has blue stripes and a little bit of white, you can see. And see, there is blue and white and pink, and see, there are all kinds of colors in it. It's just like art. You see, over here it's just like art. Well, almost, but it almost looks like a leaf to me. Yeah, almost. Well, yeah. The thing of this about scarves, you get to wear them and you look so beautiful when you try them. You must check out the other scarves. You won't imagine how beautiful you'll get. You'll be so beautiful that you'll be looking good. Yeah, if you wear these scarves. And these scarves are the most beautiful scarves you will ever wear. Like, you won't imagine. Like, if you wear a necklace or a bracelet or a ring or how to say, ear pins, yeah, and stuff like that, you'll be so beautiful that you won't imagine. There are all kinds of stuff like lots of jewelry, stuff like that you can buy so you could be beautiful. You know, sometimes you put makeup and then you put scarves and jewelries, all stuff upon you. So you see, these scarves are from lots of people who made these beautiful things. And these colors are my favorite colors. You see, this kind of colors is very, very beautiful. It's almost almost like a I don't know, like a art, something like that. Like art, yeah. And it has very beautiful colors. I mean, lots of colors. And it has blue stripes and blue in it, and a little bit of white you can almost see. A little bit of white, yeah. So that's the thing about scarves, That's how scarves be. Some of them, lots of them come in all shapes, colors, and sizes. Yeah. Yeah, that's the way how scarves are meant to be. They're very beautiful. And also they have very beautiful colors on it too, and they have very beautiful, sometimes they're very soft and sometimes they're not. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Good luck. And also you have to check out and go to a shop and check out all of these scarves. You won't believe it. It'll be so much fun to wear them. I can't wait until you wear them. Good luck. Bye. See ya.